How to increase or decrease the app size on home screen and app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or latest Samsung S25 series. In the latest Samsung S25 series, Samsung added the new feature app icon size. To increase or decrease the size, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the settings gear icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the option app size option on your latest Samsung S25 series. Here you can see apply to home and app screen. So just tap on it. Now increase the size. Now go to home screen and app drawer. You can see increase the application size on your device. Now again follow the same step. Go to settings. Here you can small size, decrease the app size, go back. Now you can see decrease the app size on your app drawer. So quite easy to increase or decrease the app size on your latest Samsung S25 series. Also hide the names app labels by default enable, so you can see the app name like gallery, Play Store. If you want to hide it, just long press it. Go to settings, toggle on this option. Now go to home screen and you can see remove the app name or label on the Samsung S25 series. That's it. Please like it, share it.